We actually talk about trees in general as an anchor of life on Earth. We can't really talk about life on Earth in real ways without talking about trees. And the trees that we planted each fill a different niche in the ecosystem. It's fun to identify different trees, but when you learn that those different trees do different things, students really benefit from understanding those complexities, and they can apply those understandings to other things that they study. Many of the trees in the Arboretum have a QR code that leads students to a Wikipedia page that tells them more about that specific species of trees. So many things that students study today, they study in an abstract way, but by being immersed in a real environmental space, students will learn much more deeply all the things that we hope for them to learn. So when we can get them reconnected with ecology, with the natural environment, it's very healthy for them, as well as much more meaningful learning experience. And studying nature without studying trees would be like studying space without studying stars and planets. Tree Pittsburgh was supported in this work by the Allegheny County Health Department's Clean Air Fund, with which we planted 19 new species, 250 trees in all, helping West Mifflin define its arboretum by having a minimum of 25 identified species. Our greatest hope is that students will come away curious and want to learn more about trees, more about the environment in which they live, and more about how they can support a healthy environment.